Hi guys, we're going to talk about Meghan Markle's trial against the Associated Press. If you remember, she's suing the Associated Press because they published the letter she sent Thomas Markle, her father. A few weeks back, it was revealed that the trial would be postponed for a future date in autumn 2021, fall 2021. And we don't have a specific date, and this is for undisclosed reasons that have to remain private and unknown from the public. Only the Associated Press lawyers know what the reason is. Meghan Markle's lawyers know. Apparently, according to the notes that the judge made public today, Thomas Markle, the father of Meghan Markle, doesn't know the reason the trial was postponed, the date was postponed. And he said that Thomas Markle doesn't need to know. He understands that Thomas Markle made it clear that he might not be well or present when the trial would be on, but he says that there's no evidence showing that Thomas Markle will not be present, no physical evidence. So he made it public so everybody would know what's going on in the trial, so that there wouldn't be any claim of unfairness, of bias against one party or another. In this particular statement, the judge says that the physical presence of Meghan Markle's father is not required. His testimony does not require him to actually come to the trial, to physically come to London. And Thomas Markle gave an affidavit, which is a signed statement regarding everything that the defense was going to argue during the trial. So the judge says here that he doesn't need to be present, and also there's no sufficient evidence that his health is a concern or is an issue and will prevent him from being available or present next year. So the judge saying that Thomas Markle, contrary to what he said when he gave the interview to the tabloid the other day, is not suffering of anything. They didn't provide any evidence of any kind of health issues. So this is what the judge said. I had wondered quite how important Mr. Markle's evidence really was to the defense case. He adds, at any rate, Mr. Markle's subjective thought and feeling do seem to be, on any objective view, a relative minor aspect of the case overall. It's not suggested that Mr. Markle's evidence on those topics is an essential component of the defense case. More importantly, as Mrs. Mills has observed, there is no suggestion that Mr. Markle will not be available to give evidence later next year. There is in particular no medical evidence suggesting that a delay would make his availability less likely. And the defendant accepts that it has a signed statement from Mr. Markle. There is, I would add, no apparent impediment to the defendant taking a deposition or other form of independently recorded statement from Mr. Markle in advance of the revised trial date, or to his giving evidence via video link if not well enough to travel. Okay, here you have it. The judge said that even if he doesn't feel well, he can always record something that would be used during the trial. So Thomas Markle was making much ado for nothing. We understand that he's frail, he's old, but it doesn't mean that because of that he's not going to be able to travel. And if he's ever too frail to travel, he can always give evidence by video link. That's what the judge said. So I'm very happy about that. So it kind of gives a slap to the face of the naysayers who complain that her father is too ill to travel. Here the judge says that no, there's no evidence that his health is in a poor state. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to click on like if it's the case, subscribe for more videos, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you.